Hey guys. Okay, so if you saw my beauty creations haul that I did recently, then you know that I bought one of the bundles of the Riding Solo single press shadows. There are 6 shadows in the bundle. If you buy them that way, it's $25 instead of 30 because you save $5 by buying a bundle. I got the everyday bundle. And you can buy these shadows individually if you want to. They're $5 a piece. But you need to spend $50 in order to get the free shipping. So I got the Riding Solo single pressed shadow everyday bundle. Plus I got the Pastel Please uh, colored primer set. Plus I got one eyeliner, and that brought the total up high enough that I got the free shipping. The shipping came really fast. But anyways, so what we are going to do today is I decided to do a tutorial with the shadow that I thought would be probably their single most popular shadow, because this is just the type of color that people tend to go for. I'm going to use Oh Hey, and it's a champagne gold. Very, very pretty. I love the packaging. It's magnetic, so you can stack them like like that, and it makes it easier in terms of storage. So in case you were wondering how this compares to other shadows that I may have in my collection, the closest things that I have is Urban Decay Space Cowboy and e.l.f. Finest Fleck Champagne Showers. However, these shadows have more of a peachy base to them, whereas the Beauty Creations is more of a true champagne gold. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about there. These have like a peachy base, and this is just true champagne gold. So this may actually appeal to some people even more so because it doesn't have that peachiness to it. So for products, I'm just going to run real fast through what I have on. I started with Lush Snow Fairy Lip Mask. Then I used my Hard Candy Girl Scouts Milk and Cookies Primer. Then I used my Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation in 115. Then I used my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer in 1C. And then I tried out a new powder. This is the MCoBeauty Miracle Flawless Press Powder in the shade 1 Light. And when you just look at it in the component, it is quite yellow, but my skin is very pink, so that might actually be a good thing because I think the yellow cancels out a little bit of the pink in my skin. And then I contoured my face with e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Contour Wand in the shade Fair Light. For a blush today, I have on the LipSmacker Jelly Burst Lip and Cheek Tint in Apple. So that's my cheek color, and that is also my lip color. Lined my lips with the e.l.f. Cream Glide Liner in Red Receipt before I applied that lip product, and filled in my brows with NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Ash Brown. And I think that is everything that I have on. Yeah, so now we're going to go in with the eyes. Now for an eyeshadow base today, I am going to use Revlon Colorstay Cream Eyeshadow in Espresso. That is the color. That's what it looks like in the pot. Now if you like MAC Groundwork Paint Pot, which looks like that, I believe this is a dupe. These are so similar that I would say that is a dupe. Now, a lot of people are going to be like, oh, I want a dupe for Painterly. Sorry, never found one. I can't believe that nobody has ever done that, because so many people would want that. It would fly off the shelves. They wouldn't be able to keep it in stock. But I don't know. Who knows the way these makeup companies think, right? So yeah, I'm going to use the Revlon one, because if I'm using an affordable eyeshadow, I want to use an affordable eyeshadow base to just keep it all relative. So the only expensive product I have on is my concealer, and that's my, speaking of ride or die, that is my ride or die concealer now. All right, I'm going to just put some of that Revlon shadow on as my base, because you know me, I always like to use some type of base. So I'm going to put that all over the lids. And then I'm going to put some in the outer corner and then take it into the crease a little bit. But when I go across, I angle it so that the majority of the product is in this outer part here, and then go like down. Okay, just because, I don't know, I really love using some type of colored base. Now this doesn't have a lot of color to it. It's like a light brown color. So that's all we're going to do there. All right, here we go now. So to open this, you just kind of twist it a little bit to remove that magnetic cover. And I find with any of these glitter type shadows, the best way to apply them is with your fingers. You can use a brush, obviously, if you want to, but I don't know, I just feel like it melts into the skin better if you use your fingers. All right, so I'm just swirling my finger in there. Wow. Was not expecting it to look like that, guys, honestly. So this one is called Oh Hey. And I think that's what we're going to say when I put it on my lid. Oh hey. So you don't need to spray this with setting spray or anything like that. Wow, that is so reflective, you guys. Oh my goodness. You know what? I wasn't sure if I did the right thing by buying a bundle, because I was like, what if I don't like these? I just bought 6 of them. I like this now. I'm glad that I got the bundle. However, every single color in the bundle that I bought are not colors that I gravitate towards. I would say 4 out of the 6 I will definitely use frequently, but there are 2 shades in there that I probably won't reach for that often. One is a bronze gold, and the other one is a deeper true gold than this right here. So I probably won't use those 2 as much, but there are 3 others. Now, I went in a little bit too much on that inner corner there, so just by taking that same brush and blending over it, now I've got more of the shape that I want. Now I want to put a little bit, I'm just picking up a little bit more with my finger, because I want to go a little bit up and out here, just to get the shape that I want. I also want to press it into that outer corner a little bit. Okay, wow, wowee. Oh, hey. All right, so let me get caught up with the other eye, and we'll figure out what we're going to do for a liner. Okay, so I did the other eye. Now, I've been so into monochromatic looks lately that I'm going to use the NYX Epic Wear liner stick in gold plated. Because, yeah, I've been so into monochromatic looks. So I'm just going to run that on the waterline. All right, I'm going to curl my lashes, put my mascara on, and that is the finished look. I love it. Thanks, guys.